In this video, you'll learn how to make tables in HTML. In the previous video, you learned how to get data from a user using forms. While forms are a good way of getting data from a user, tables are a good way of displaying that data after you've done calculation with them or just wanting to organize it. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a table containing data of our two friends, or at least my two friends. It's going to contain the name, the age, and the email of those friends. So first, let's create the table. And then we have a table header, which first we're going to use. Okay, so you have table rows, table headers, table data, and there are more, and I will put it in the resources tab, the download section to the right, for you to check out, as well as all the attributes that go with table, table row, table data, etc. So you can check those out. But this is just a simple example, just so you can see what tables are and how to make a basic one. So the first one, we're going to have our table header, which the first one is name. And let's make this easier. Let's just copy and paste this. Oops. Copy and paste. Didn't close this. So name, age, and what did I say? Email, yeah. So you can see them showing up here. And since we can't really tell that this is a table, we're going to put a border around it. So look at our amazingly ugly table. See, I would never make a table without Bootstrap, just because it looks like it's 1990 all over again. So let's make another table row, which is going to contain the information. And let's just go ahead and copy and paste this, since we're going to have two rows, one for each person. So then we're going to have table data, which is going to be the name, age, and email of each person. So copy paste, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the first person's name is Jeff. He is 35, and Jeff's email is, I don't know Jeff's email, so let's say jeff@gmail.com. Alright, second person, second friend is Courtney. She is 25, and her email is, what is it, mcmac@uf.edu, something like that. So there you have it. There's our awesome table. Like I said, I would never do this without Bootstrap. I'm going to show you real quick. We're going to do this in the next coding challenge, but just to give you a little taste of what they look like, they look so much cleaner. Look how much cleaner this looks than that. See, this is why I wouldn't do it. And they're responsive too. See? It's responsive. And let's see, how do I make this? Oops. Trying to make this full screen, I don't remember, but it's not. Either way, it's not responsive. So we're gonna use Bootstrap later on. So now you know how to display data to your users in the form of a table, which makes the data easier to skim for the user. So of course, if they're looking for data, they see a table and they'll easily find it. Looking for the name, boom, it's like a database. It's easy to find the information you're looking for. Now, in the next video, we're going to go over semantic tags, which will include some HTML5. And we're going to use these to better organize our web page, both for our convenience and for the search engines that will scrape or crawl our websites.